Welcome. Today we're diving into the simple and updated way to comment on a Pinterest pin using the Pinterest app. Whether you want to share your thoughts, ask a question, or engage with other users, leaving a comment is a great way to connect. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and head straight to your profile. You'll find your profile picture usually at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on it to access your personal space on Pinterest. Next, tap your profile picture again to open a menu, and from there, select the Home Feed Tuner. This feature helps you customize your Pinterest experience, but it's also the gateway to managing your pins. Once you're in the Home Feed Tuner, navigate to the Pins tab. Here, you'll see all the pins you've saved or interacted with. Find the pin you want to comment on, and press and hold it for a moment. This long press action will bring up a menu with several options. From the menu, tap on Comment. This will open a text box where you can type your thoughts or feedback about the pin. Whether it's a compliment, a question, or a helpful tip, just type it out in the comment box. When you're happy with what you've written, simply tap Post to share your comment with the Pinterest community. Your comment will now be visible under the pin, allowing others to see and respond to it. And that's it. Commenting on a Pinterest pin is quick and easy once you know the steps. Engaging with pins by commenting not only helps you connect with others, but also makes your Pinterest experience more interactive and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Pinterest app.